Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we answer a common question many users have about their cameras. How to widen the viewing angle.
Hey Rocky, I've got a question. My camera's beam angle feels too narrow. Is there any way to make it wider?
That's a great question, Lin. Actually, the camera's viewing angle and the distance it can see are usually inversely related. Most of our cameras are equipped with 4 mm fixed focus length, which provides a balanced angle and distance. Here is how it works. The smaller the focal length, the wider the angle, but the visible distance becomes shorter. A 4 mm lens is very common because if it's most home and courtyard environment. It offers great adaptability and is one of the most widely used focal lengths in IP cameras on the market.
I see. So if I still need a larger coverage area, what should I do? Buy more cameras?
Good point. In that case, I would recommend choosing a Jooan camera with a pan tilt rotation feature. These cameras can rotate to cover a much larger area. Plus, many models also support human tracking or auto patrol modes, which means the camera can automatically follow movement or scan different areas. It's actually more cost-effective than buying multiple fixed cameras.
That's a really useful tip. Thanks, Rocky and Lin, for the great discussion. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.